Morning. Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's doing good. I am here and I have my things open. I came a little bit on time, so I got everything open so we can just jump straight to it. Let's do that. I mean, there's not much to talk about. Oh, actually there is. We have we have consumer confidence 10 a.m. and house sales at 10 a.m. But it's gonna be about consumer confidence, not anything that will like be such a big deal, but just keep our eyes at eyes. I mean, just be careful around 10 a.m. That's it. Okay, what? What's happening here? This is new. Okay, never mind. Here we are. Okay, this is the 1 day in 1 week. So yeah, we took a little bit of a sell off. I mean, we still have not played the EMA, but we're basically there. Like we front runned it like by I don't know how many points, very little amount. And we formed a doji so far. But if you look at the higher time frame, which we'll get to, I mean we are on the higher time frame. What am I saying? But the 1 week is like just looking like a completed doji, and then on the 1 day, it's like we've literally just done nothing for 3 days. Um, we're under the EMA and not able to go above it, and then we have not cleared these lows as well. So yes, looks like it's in a tight range, which is what I will be careful of. And then NQ. 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 I mean, I don't know if we have a bullish engulfing candle, but again, we're under the EMAs. Great follow through back into. Uh, um, almost as a bullish engulfing candle, right? So overall, I could just be choppy. Like we could just stay around here and stay in this range. Like we're already kind of doing that. We don't really have much of a catalyst today. It's about tomorrow. I think the video is tomorrow. I think so. Yeah. Let me actually check. Okay. Yeah, it is tomorrow. What did I just close? Oh my god. Oh no. I did not mean to do that. That's actually kind of cool. It's like trading view is like Chrome. You can just press Command Shift T and it brings back the chart like as if it's a tab. I like that though. They thought of that, but yet they can't do so many other things, right? Sorry. Anyways, okay. Let's jump to the 1 week. Wait, no way. That's the first time I've done that. Anyways, I showed you the wrong chart. Anyways, pretend that didn't happen. Hey, you didn't miss much. You didn't miss much. Honestly, this is better. Let's go. Let's just go to the 1 hour and 4 hour now. Properly. Okay. Oh my, what's happening? Okay. I just look at this. Look at this like solid range we formed. We broke out of it. Great. Retested. Continued higher. And we have tested this area multiple times by buyers. We're under the 200 EMA. Like I said, I mean, even no matter if how much I've slept, I'm gonna yawn, but then like the yawn disappears. Just keep moving the mouth. It's like I really do think when I wake up, I'm just gonna just rant and talk because I talk in my head, but I actually use my mouth so I don't yawn when I get to the stream. I'm really considering that. Considering that. Anyways, yeah, a lot of wicks here. Then we really just, I mean, bottomed here like not the second time, and now we just had one rip, and we're already retesting this area. Okay. Thing is, on the 4 hour, these levels, I mean, they're not like I'm seeing so many. I have so many more levels on the 1 hour that feel more respected because of the 4 hours. Just like we are respecting them in the moment of time, but it's not like the 4 hour feels a desire to close there. On NQ, I mean, it was um so a bullish. Like we failed to be a bullish engulfing handle, but retraced majority of the move, and then finally did break out around 2 a.m. So uh this is Asia or London. I always get it wrong. Let me just quickly check if I can actually make this quick. Yeah, it's London range. So London range had a good trend. Okay. Just gonna keep on seeing these clues because we have so many EMAs. We have like this rangy, choppy-ish environment, but like still big moves. So just be careful. On the VIX is at 15 now. So VIX just fell. Okay. Did not expect that the day before Nvidia's earnings. Okay. It's funny because a lot of people bet on a VIX to rise, and we literally did nothing. And I'm just surprised because the whole thing about VIX is that it should rise when there's more fear. But I mean, the market, I mean, hasn't done much, so I guess yeah, I guess VIX makes sense to be where it is. So we're holding the EMA, the 200 EMA on ES pretty nicely actually. We opened, retested it, now retesting it again. Got let's jump to the 1 minute and 5 minute. Okay, so I like this. We just front run the valley area from a few days ago, and on ES we already traded that valley area. Before I forget, let me change to so both counts on. Look, I did I'm doing this. Wanted to do this later, but I'm not in the position anymore to do it later. Basically, I'm gonna look for two trades on the performance account. So I try to avoid that simply because of the consistency rule. But I mean, at the end of the day, like I should have just done it from the beginning. But at the end of the day, I took 3 losses so far. It's been 3 days and I took 3 losses. Um, so hopefully today is different. If it's not, it's not. I'm really in a bad position, so I just really have to size down. I'm not gonna size down today, but if I am in that position, I really do have to size down. And the evaluation, I mean, it's tight because I don't have a lot of TT on it. If I take a loss, I'm losing that account. I'll have to reset it. So let's see what happens. It's not like anything is on the line here. No, it really isn't. Like I'm just gonna take a high quality setup and see what happens. Not gonna. Yeah, that's it. I'm feeling good. Like, yesterday was just funky. I don't want to repeat that. I want to trade well and I want to take high quality setups, and that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so nice structure so far. So we had a nice trend. Uh, uh, gave back, coming back up. Value area is right here. Not a great candle close, but want to see. I'm definitely gonna look for a setup around this area. Like, but look, this 5 minute just looks like we're just within each candle. Like, from the opening candle, we're in that within that body. I mean, yeah, if we get the breakout, it will be different. But look at this close so far. But I would want to see this. I would want to see the market give pain so they can actually make the move. So we're holding on view up nicely. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I forgot to play music. Damn. Did some funny incidents today. So really giving back quite a bit of the gains. You just feel that low volume node. Look at this dump on ES. God, I forgot. I have to need to. Okay, that could have been really bad. But I don't even think it would have been accepted. I don't know how it would have worked. Okay, there's buyers, a little bit delayed, not strong. I mean, gave back whatever move they just did. We're in this valley area, so okay, we're having a nice little breakout. Buyers looking good, actually, looking really good. I don't like these give backs. This is not, I don't like that. I'm not gonna play this simply because it's just like it could work, but it's gonna be. I'm kind of a little bit scarred from yesterday still, from that breakout trade. But I will still look at potentially point of control. We still have not played Valeria low, and on ES we just play Valeria high. You gotta be a little careful here though. Yeah, we're giving back a lot of these gains. Does not look at all like buyers have it. 2 times failed. But like with this hammer knife, sorry, hammer candle, hammer knife. Thing is, we play it once. What stops it from? Okay, never mind. Would have been actually a good setup. No, I don't think I want this. I don't want this. It's too risky. It would have been a nice follow through, but it wouldn't have been for my target anyways. I don't trust buyers here. Yeah. Glad I avoided that. That's what I want to see. I want to see caution. I want to see calmness and patience. And that's what I just did. So I like that setup though. Okay, I'm gonna just take this off. I don't know, I'm feeling a little bit iffy about it. Oh, I didn't even move my order. Did not notice that. Okay, I'm happy I did not look for everything. I mean, it was a good entry. Why I took it so ready is just simply because second leg structure, fake out the buyers, fake out the sellers, and beautiful follow through. But I mean, I'm happy I was a little bit risk off and careful because you know, I can always just take another trade. 2,600. It's already a great amount. You know, I almost got the full. Oh, hey Scott, how are you? I was wondering where's my. Oh, I was waiting for you. Yeah, I'm very nice. Thanks. It's nice. I don't wear it much. Sometimes I feel like it makes me feel a little bit unky, a little uncle-like. But I was like, whatever. Why do I care? I just took a nice trade. Yeah. I sent you a message just now. Thank you. I really appreciate that. So, you know what? A part of me is like, I just made $2,600, right? Do I want to strive and look for more? I mean, I'm really happy. Like, we just gotta win. Like, let's clap for us because, like, think about it. 3 days of losing, finally we got the win that we were looking for. I'm just thinking, no, I don't want to strive. I don't want to strive, but I just also in the back of my head is just, yeah, you're right. Let's just be patient, right? Yeah, I think I should go on the evaluation. 2,600 is like what? How much is that? $800. Okay, wait. Let me just check or something. Okay, wait. That does not make sense. 2,600 divided by 0.30. So 8,600. Okay. Okay. I do like the setup of buyer's hold. Yeah, we already played the edge very quickly. We're looking just to play Valley area low. Yeah, I am basically. Okay, wait. Oh. Sorry, just something funny happened. Okay. Scott, you've made my chat rate 3. Very good. Very good. You made my chat rate 3. Thank you for that. Yeah, I'm just risk off. I'm just, I don't know, because the thing is, right now I'm at, if I stop now, it's 2,600. I'm looking at the consistency rule. I'm not looking at I'm looking at consistency rule. That's $1,000. But do I really want to, like, did tell myself that I should stick to what I told myself. I did say that. And why am I, like, it's just yeah. Yeah, this is really giving back. That one algorithmic, like, we just played what we needed to play and just fully gave back. Could have been a nice short. Especially with this, look at this beautiful low volume node fail. But I don't even think I would have even thought of that. Especially after that type of close. Yeah, I would have not expected that. Okay, we're already back at VWAP. Yeah. Okay, let's be careful around 10 a.m. Okay, I'm gonna do what the, like, there's two voices in my head. There's one Zaki saying keep pushing the account because, you know, you just took a nice win. Why not take another one? You still have $800 to a thingy. And to be honest, I will admit, That trade I did take, it was fear. I think it was just simply because I was losing on the count 3 times. I was just like, I wanted to get out. So I got out prematurely, but the exit that I had planned was very acceptable. Um, but I'm going to do, I guess the thing is, yes, I could take another trade, but I'm not gonna do that simply because, why? Even if I see a good setup, I'm just gonna go back to the valuation. That's why I have the valuation, to like remind myself it's okay. Like I don't have to, and I feel like I did the right thing. I did the right thing. I'm not gonna trade it. I'm not gonna trade it. Okay, we're on the valuation now. Yeah, 20 contracts will be okay. I got in at a very good spot too. I think I got in around here. Because I immediately just saw the setup and I acted on the setup and I got out here. So it was not even, yeah, it was not even, I felt like it was more than that, but anyways. Really nice sell-off so far. Okay, where is it? Desktop. Okay, sometimes this happens where it doesn't load where it needs to load. Okay. Let me go here. We still have good delta, but yeah, nice sell-off right back to the range of this area. It's 958, so we have to be a little bit careful about that. Sellers really have control, so you have to be careful. One thing about that trade that I took, which I don't like, is my risk. The risk felt way too... I mean, I kind of did have a low volume node protection. I have to look back though, because that's the one thing I didn't like about the trade. It didn't have good risk. And what I mean is that I could have, of course, just been wicked out, Okay, look at that close. I'm happy what I did with the performance account. Like, it's more than a base hit. Yes, I could have looked for more, but there's no need. And like, it's not like, let's be realistic. Yes, I could have had another winner, but let's be also realistic about the other side. I could have taken a loss and it would have not been fun. So tomorrow's a new day, and I don't have to. I consistency rule is better because it's right now 8600. Um, But the consistency rule really does bother me. But eventually, when you have, the thing is, you just want to create the buffer. Once you have your cushion, you don't have to worry about TT. You're good. And the consistency rule doesn't irritate me. It just irritates me when you're in a drawdown. A lot of wicks. Not too many wicks, but 1 minute till news. Oh, I got slipped hard. What just happened? Oh, it's just not updating. It's just not updating. Okay. Well, on the bright side, at least it's on the evaluation. That's great. I don't even care. What just now my chart is frozen. Literally frozen. Okay. Yeah, I'm that was really dumb. That was really dumb. I I was like, let's be careful around news. Let's be careful around news. I completely forgot about news. I was like, I just saw the setup and okay. But anyways, it was just the evaluation. Honestly, I really don't mind. Like, yeah, it's cost me a reset, but it's a lot better than this. Yeah, that was imagine if I was like, yeah, you know what? Let me continue trading on the performance account, and I took that. Ooh, with the slippage, with the slippage. Anyways, that was rough. It's unfortunate I have to go at 10. Of course, don't like that, but it is right. It is what it is. So we flushed a lot of this area. Nice. That was a big hit. Bigger loss than yesterday somehow. Oh yeah, that's because I got slipped. So I got slipped how much? Wow, I got slipped sorry, 45, yeah, 55. That's not that bad. Oh, almost $2,000 I got slipped. 2,000 I got slipped. Well, it was with size, like it makes sense, like, but crazy. Got slipped hard. The thing is, look at ES. Like, it's just the candles are literally opening exactly. We're just having a lot of it absorbing here. And I look at buyer stepping nicely. That's what I was looking for here. Right? I should just wait for news, right? Because just looking for a scalp. That was dumb, but honestly, it feels good to be on the valuation for that. It feels very good because that would have been a very expensive lesson. I'm very happy that you know, but yeah, no, I'm grateful. Like, we took the win. I don't know why it's. I think it's just simply because it's the first win after 3 days of losing. So I mean, the thing is, the valuation was doing good. Now it's no longer doing good. It's done. The valuation is done. The valuation honestly had a really good run up, but yesterday was just really bad on that breakout. And today, 10 a.m. news candle. I really did not mean to do that. My brain was so much into the edge that I completely forgot that it was news. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna walk away then. I mean, I told myself I'm not gonna strive on the performance account, so I'm not gonna do that, even though I can, but I'm not going to. So I'm just gonna get out of here. Again, I'm leaving early, but not the end of the world. The market is moving, which is nice. But the market was moving yesterday. The market is always moving, and I'm grateful that the market is actually giving quite solid moves. So I'm really happy about that. But yeah, let's get out of here and get on to the next things that we can do in life. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let me just quickly do that. Yeah, tomorrow is a big deal, but the thing is, it's not like tomorrow I really expect us to do nothing. Like, tomorrow I expect chop, or maybe honestly it could be a little bit of like chop. I just don't see why. Let me just add IB real quick from yesterday. I forgot to do that. Okay. Oh, that was the wrong day. Yeah, so there was good opportunities yesterday and today, honestly, really good opportunities as well. I mean, we're moving nicely, but kind of weirdish around this area. I know you can't see it. I'll just show it as I'm saying it though. Yeah, like what's happening on ES is like what? Like yeah, no. But NQ is moving nice. NQ is really, I mean, still wiki. So, I don't know because there's just a lot of like weird follow through by both sides. Like look at this candle. You think it would finally break out. I mean, it could, but it just looks like it's going to give back majority of its move. Like if you entered here, it's like yeah, look at that. Look at that close. And it's the last second. It's just a manipulation of the candle. And I expect it to get wicked down. As, like all these buyers are got in, are just gonna lose. Okay. Oh yeah, I wanted to add IB. Did I do it here? You had a nice rally yesterday. Yesterday we just really chopped around, got back here. It is a rally, but not a nice rally. That's why I don't like. I really just like to trade the morning. Like any other time besides the morning is just not fun. You see, like look, and this is probably gonna keep on happening. Like if ES is doing this, what stops NQ from doing it? So I think it's a good time to leave. And tomorrow I don't know if there's gonna be opportunities, but that's okay. We just survive till tomorrow. I don't want like I really want to like tell myself like if there's no opportunities, do not trade. I'm telling myself that simply because I feel like because I'm on the performance account, I feel like I need to make a trade because it counts as a day. But I really don't need to do that. It's not worth losing. I mean, I have seen some movements before big catalysts. Like it could be adjustments, could be like people, yeah, it could just people be adjusting to the news. Let's see what happens tomorrow. But I'm gonna be careful and aligned. And then after we get through Wednesday, we got Thursday and Friday, which should have good movement. And yeah, I mean overall we're having good movement. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed the stream. It was a funny day. And I'll catch you all tomorrow, and hope you all had a great trading session and that you have a great day. Take care. Bye.